morning, everyone. Good morning. Respected director, sir, teachers, students, and everyone present here. Once again, I would like to say a very warm good morning to you all. And today we all have gathered here for the singing competition, and we all are so happy and cheerful. We all love singing, and that's why we all were waiting for this competition. And today we are going to have this competition. So once again, I would like to welcome all the participants for participating in this competition and for preparing for this day. So before starting, I would like to introduce our judge. Our judge for today is our director sir, Nurvin sir, and our Paulina ma'am. They will be judged for the competition. They will judge the participant based on their voice quality, based on their song selection and their tune, how they are singing, and their performance and presentation. So we always encourage them to sing, we will support them, we will clap for them. Okay? And let me tell about this competition. In this competition, all the selected students, they will perform in different songs, and the topic for the singing is patriotic song and Christmas song. All the students, those who are selected, they will come one by one and they will perform here, and judge will give them marks, and later they will be selected, those who are winners, one from the junior section and one from the senior section. So once again, yes. And teachers will also help us in the selection of the winners. They will also assist us along with the judges. So once I will like to name all the participants, I would like to say all the name of the participants one by one. First is Sarita from nursery. You will stand up, you will stand in your place. Okay? I will call your name and you will stand in your place. Sarita, Priyanka, stand up. Shruti. From LKG class we have Eric, Jirendra, Ujit. From UKG class we have Dhani, Akansha and Amandeep. And from the senior section, standard 1, we have Anmol Besra, Amrita Kumari and Ritu Marani. Standard 2, Bhavya Hendram, Jetha Tudu, Suryadev Isku. Standard 3, Meena Hendram, Anshu Tudu and Priya Darshi. And from standard 4 we have Riya Paharia, Sunny Sonu Tudu and Sunati Mundra. We all will clap for them once. So first we will start with nursery class. I would like to call Sarita from class nursery. Please come on the stage and perform the song.